So like I was trying to show you, you'll see it now. When you use that little bump and bring that little bump to the curb as you're pulling up to the curb.
I guess I can leave this on.
Yeah.
Still.
So bring that bump over. Just put it right on top of the curb.
Okay.
As it intersects, and get the back tire on the little crack there. So you're parallel. You can still see a little bit of the pavement. You can move forward and just steer it to the left a little bit. To the left a little bit more. Left. Because you want to get your front tire on that seam right here. Perfect. Now you got both tires right on that seam.
Okay, perfect.
Where the pavement meets the curb.
Yeah. Okay.
That's good.
It was a lot closer this time.
Yeah.
Park and brake.
Yeah, that's ideal. That's ideal, man. Yeah, you might have some other marker you can use in your own vehicle.
Yeah.
To help you pull up to the curbs.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, right on.
Okay.
Off we go. Straighten the wheels out, right on.
Make sure nothing is coming.
Awesome, you're bringing your speed up to around 45, 50, that's good. Might seem fast, but it's the speed limit.
Yeah, I know. I think it's just when you're in a small neighborhood, it just kind of...
Everything's kind of squeezed in, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. But it's perfectly not illegal. It's not illegal.
Yeah.
Right turn.
It's so hard to see behind the bushes.
Mm-hmm. So you're crawling out nicely. You're taking your time. That was an appropriate amount of time. Straight at the lights again.